Hello, I'd like to quickly record a video related to this algorithm, 975 odd even jump. It's so interesting. I came across this algorithm hard level and I failed multiple times over hours. Time limit exceeded problems. So this is really, good experience since Okay, I come back to continue talk about this algorithm. I think, Leetcode Premium is a very good choice to prepare Google on-site. I had a Facebook on-site this August, but I did not subscribe Leetcode Premium. I'm so shocked because I remembered I talked to my coach, and he recently joined Google. He used to be Microsoft intern. He said, okay, you should try Leetcode Premium. And before I prepared a Facebook on-site, but I did not do it. So I think I missed the opportunity to learn quickly 2 months to prepare the Facebook on-site interview. And this time Google on-site, I didn't take it seriously because I'm preparing L4, no system design. If I can do very well on algorithm, I may get one system design interview. So I think, in theory, I practice so many algorithms, and all those experience cannot, help me so quickly perform. And the only way I can do is I found some good questions to work on, like this question, 975, even odd jump. I think that my practice is so rich and helpful, so I tried the binary search tree, I tried use stack, I tried sorted set, I work on the time complexity analysis, I ask people in mock interview, so I learn and learn and learn. And I think this one hard level questions, I do not have this challenge experience last 3 or 4 months in my current job. And I do think those kind of experience really help me to be a better programmer, a problem solver, especially on this coronavirus, And also, I think my problem show up not just on the practice, preparation, it's also show up in my stock investment, my strategic thinking, my risk taking. And I do think this is good for me to record it and remember this, over 6 hours practice, and remember this high level algorithm and make it a lifelong experience. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.